Elise for CBC News, Ottawa. Paramedics were busy today also. There were a couple of calls for cases of cardiac arrest caused by either shoveling snow or snow blowing. Paramedics are reminding people to be careful shoveling heavy snow. It can put stress on the heart. And they say that if you have chest pain or shortness of breath or dizziness, call 911. Firefighters say Moose McGuire's restaurant in Elmont was completely destroyed by fire last night. The arrest.
Oh my goodness. I have never seen anything like this. What the hell?
Is this something new? He's trying
to push him, and the other guy is totally stuck. Wow. Oh, there they go. So, oh, Jesus.